You want to put her in the car?
Yep.
Okay.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? What did I do? What did I do? Can you tell me why I'm
Aggravated assault.
Assault of what? Can I get my phone so I can call my mom, please? Yeah. Assault for what? What the heck? I didn't do no assault.
Well, they're saying, you watch the video, so.
Oh my God, these people are crazy. This doesn't make any sense.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. Can I get can you call my mom, please?
Yeah.
I need a phone, please. I call my mom because my kids are at home. But I thought I came back and gave them some food.
Can she come and get your car too?
On April 15th, 2024, at 10:50 p.m. in Brevard County, Florida, a McDonald's drive-thru turned into a high-stakes standoff when Quavi Young allegedly pulled a gun over a cheeseburger bundle. Is a fast food dispute ever worth a felony charge?
What's the person with the gun? What's the person with the gun? ¿A dónde está la persona con la pistola? Hello.
I'm good, how are you?
They gave us a call of a female with a handgun in their lap.
A handgun?
Yeah.
Oh no, so I'm here waiting picking up my son.
Oh, okay.
No, I
Sorry to bother you.
Oh, no problem. I don't know.
Put that gun away. Put it down. Get out the car.
What you mean? I'm licensed to carry a gun, sir.
You're fine. You're fine.
Thank you.
You're fine. Put your hands back.
What are they talking about?
You have it concealed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I do.
Alright, this is just for safety, okay? You're not under arrest right
Okay, thank you.
now. You alright?
And it's no guns in my clip anyway.
No ammo?
No.
Okay.
You can take me wherever. Okay, my shoes off. Sorry.
This one's here. You can get out front where nobody can see you.
Yeah.
Can I put your keys up here too? Do you have your ID? And your concealed permit?
Yes. What is the problem?
Apparently they saw your gun and they thought you were threatening them.
It's in the car. I have it in my car. That's where I have it.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
It's no big deal. She got mad because she got mad because I asked for my order. That was the problem. I don't care. That's the crazy part. She can say what she wants to say. That's weird. The fuck, I'm still here waiting on my damn order. I didn't do nothing. All I said was I'm still waiting on my #1 order because I asked for it. Now I'm trying to go home. She got mad. It was also crazy. I'm like, what are you talking about? So I'm still here waiting.
Okay.
Fuck, I got a gun for him. I'm still waiting.
We don't know all of that. Do you have your license and your
Can you pull my shirt up, please? I've been sitting in the car. Why would I threaten someone and I'm still sitting in my car waiting on my damn order? That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know.
She's not making any sense.
That's what we're here to figure out.
She's weird. Pull this up, please.
You have your license and your
What is on being stopped for? What is the problem?
I just told you.
No, you did not, sir. No, you
She
didn't.
saw your gun.
Okay.
And that you were threatening her with it.
I did not threaten her with nothing, sir.
Well,
At all.
that's
I
what
did not
we're here to
threaten her with
investigate.
nothing.
That's what we're here to
No. Thank you.
The person that told us she was a bus of shit.
What? I did not say that. She's a damn liar. He's a liar. She's a Are you serious?
Yeah. We're gonna watch the video.
No, she's not gonna sit here and fucking lie on me like that. No, she's not gonna do that. And I'm finna call my mom right now because that's weird as hell. Get my no, I'm gonna get my phone. Thank you, so. This
Can you
is
have
crazy.
16 pull his car up?
Excuse me.
He's staying with 0.
Can I put this up, please? God, bro, I'm gonna call these people right now. Are you serious? I did not do anything to her. I've been waiting on my order.
We're gonna watch the video.
Okay, well, please watch the video, please, because that doesn't make no sense, sir.
We're gonna watch the video.
That's
and it'll
weird.
show.
I'm gonna call right now, because that's crazy. I don't have confidence. I really don't. This lady is crazy as heck. I didn't do anything at all. I'm just waiting on my order. Just waiting, bro. No, I'm not doing anything like a bad guy. I just don't like that she just sat here and lied.
You said you had a concealed permit. You said a license.
Yes.
You've avoided it 3
Yes,
times.
I didn't do anything. Yes.
I'm telling you what we're here investigating. You're not listening to me.
She's a liar.
You're mad at us when we're just responding to a call.
Yes, but I didn't do anything. That's why I'm still waiting here.
That out. And if you're acting out, then it makes it look like you're the bad guy. It makes you look like a bad guy.
No, I am listening to you. The thing about it is, I don't like the way she's sitting here lying because I didn't do anything. I'm just sitting in my car waiting on my food.
I also told you we're going to watch the video.
Oh.
Well, we're here for a person with a gun who allegedly.
Okay, well, I didn't allegedly do anything. I didn't allegedly threaten anyone. I did nothing.
You don't allegedly.
Yes, sir, I do.
Because you're being accused.
Yeah, I just heard that. I just heard that because at the end of the day, he's over here acting like I did something wrong. You guys come like I didn't do anything at all.
Accused of it. It's not saying you did do it.
Okay.
She's accusing you of it.
Yes.
We're gonna watch the video to see if you did do it. I'm not saying you did it. I'm saying you're being accused of it. We watch the video. You didn't do it. Cuffs come off.
Yes.
Do you have a valid driver's license? Are you allowed to drive?
Yes.
Do you have that with you?
I can't believe this lady really just stubborn. It's like, what the heck are you doing?
I'm gonna let you go, but I want you to stay standing right here, okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Just stay standing right here.
Yeah, but I'm not going to go anywhere. I didn't do anything. Why would I run anywhere? I'm still sitting here waiting on my food.
I'm not saying running.
Shoot.
I'm saying stay standing here.
Crap. I'm still waiting on my dang food.
And that's your mom?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the number. I don't know what the heck she decided to say. That's crazy.
Like I said, you watch the video. It shows you not doing it.
It's this number right here. Go ahead and call it.
When you handed it to me, it clicked.
Despite her claims that the weapon was unloaded and concealed, Young was hauled off to jail for aggravated assault and open carry violations. Should a drive-thru argument result in a permanent criminal record, or was this a massive misunderstanding?
Here. It don't make no sense.
82 teletype. Can you copy a PX? 3-2. That's the person in the drive-thru's mom. Give me a sec.
Still, I want you over there. You stay here, man. Right there.
And what do you want him to tell her?
Tell her to call my phone because I'm having a problem at McDonald's that could
Call your
possibly
phone?
send me to jail. Yes.
Do you want to wait to see if you get released first? Because we watch the video.
I'm not going to jail because I didn't do anything.
Yeah, watch the video then.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. I didn't do nothing at all.
Listen, if you watch the video
Go ahead.
and the
Yes, sir.
allegations are false,
Do nothing.
you're not listening to me. Listen to me, please. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you're gonna be released, do you still want to call your mom?
Yes, I got to call her. I need to call her.
Okay.
That's weird. That's crazy. I don't like that.
I just want to make sure that you don't call her and then get released and then.
No, I want to call her now because that doesn't make any sense. She's lying. I didn't do nothing. I didn't pull no gun out on her. Why would I do that, sir? I go to school for criminal justice. I would never do that. That doesn't make any sense. Well, people do it, of course.
People
You
get
can't trust
falsely
me.
accused
Of course, but I
all
didn't
the
do
time.
that. Nothing showed. Like,
People
what?
get
What the
falsely
heck?
accused
That's
all the
weird.
time. You're not listening
I
to me.
got done.
You want to put her in the car?
Yep.
Okay.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? What did I do? What did I do? Can you tell me why I'm
Aggravated
on
assault.
Assault of what? Can I get my phone so I can call my mom, please? Assault for what? What the heck? I didn't do no assault.
They're saying, you watch the video, so.
Oh my God, these people are crazy. This is doesn't make any sense.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you.
those cuffs.
Can I get Can you call my mom, please?
Yeah.
I need a phone, please. I call my mom because my kids are at home. But I supposed to came back and gave
Can she
them
come and
some
get your
food.
car too?
Yes, if I can get her phone, please. I don't know what the heck she's talking about. It doesn't make any sense. Like,
Can you call that number and have her mom respond and pick up the
can I
call?
get it? Yeah, just call the number. I didn't. Okay.
What's your first name?
Quavi Young.
Say it again.
Quavi Young.
Quavi Young.
Yeah.
Alright, watch your knees. It's gonna be that door.
Can you put this up for me?
Step up against the counter. Step up against the counter.
Yeah, we got to send your first name before we're me.
Lean forward for me. I need to get to your hands. No, I'm good, thank you. What's that?
Whenever they get a chance to transport you.
That one might come out. That's it. All right. Can you step in cell 2?
You gonna put my phone at the call? Because I need my kid. You got it on my
Following the investigation at the scene, deputies recovered the firearm and the high-capacity drum magazine from the vehicle, which served as key evidence in the case. Quavi Young was booked into the Brevard County Jail on a $15,000 bond, facing a felony charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. During the legal proceedings, the McDonald's staff provided sworn testimony regarding the threat, which contradicted Young's claims that the weapon remained concealed and untouched. As a result of the incident, she was formally trespassed from all McDonald's locations in the area and was ordered to undergo a mental health evaluation as part of her pretrial release. Ultimately, she entered a plea agreement that resulted in 3 years of intensive probation and the permanent forfeiture of her firearm. This case serves as a chilling reminder of how a trivial menu dispute can escalate into a life-altering felony arrest. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.